Good morning. Today we'll do question E, exercise 4.1, that is write each fraction in lower term. We have given fraction 3 by 12. We have to convert this fraction into lower term. Here in this fraction 3 is numerator, 12 is denominator. We have to find out which is common factor between 3 and 12, or you can check in which table 3 and 12 comes. 3 and 12 comes in table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So this fraction 3 by 12, if we divide by 3, please keep in your mind, when you are dividing numerator by any number, you have to divide denominator by the same number. So if you are dividing by 3, you have to divide 12 also by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So lowest term of 3 by 12 is 1 by 4. Now there is no common factor between 1 and 4 except 1. So 1 by 4 is the lowest term of 3 by 12. Second question I am explaining, that is 8 by 40. Now, what is common factor between 8 and 40? There are so many common factors, that are 2, 4, 8, 1 also. So you can divide direct by 8, or you can divide by 2 and 4. If we divide by 8 divided by 8, 40 divided by 8, it will become 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is the lowest term of 8 by 40. Or you can do like that, 8 by 40 first divided by 2, it will become 4 by 20. Now again, if you will check, there is one more common factor, that is 4. So you have to divide again. You will divide by 4. It will become 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is the lowest term of 8 by 40. 15 by 25. 15 by 25. Which is common factor? That is 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. It's 3 by 5. Now there is no common factor except 1. तो 1 से divide की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. So 3 by 5 is the lower term. Question number 4. 14 by 21. Please check in which table 14 and 21 both comes. It comes in table of 7. It means 7 is a common factor. So divide by 7. Divide by 7. It's 2 by 3. Now there is no common factor. So 2 by 3 is lower term of 14 by 21. Question number 5. 11 by 22. What is common factor? 11. 11 comes in table of 11. 22 also comes in table of 11. So divide numerator and denominator both by 11. Please keep in your mind, when you divide, you have to divide with same number. With same number. If you are dividing numerator by 11, so you have to divide denominator also by 11. 11 divided by 11, 1. 22 divided by 11 is 2. So 1 by 2 is lower term of 11 by 22. So question is clear. Now I am doing question F. Question F is, find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. We have to write equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. First is with denominator 20. Denominator 20. 3 by 5. Fraction is 3 by 5. In 3 by 5, what is denominator? That is 5. So you have to make 5 20. So how you will make this 5 20? 5 fours are 20, will multiply by 4. So you will also multiply numerator by 4. It will become 20 by 12 by 20. So it means 12 by 20 is equivalent to 3 by 5. Question number 2. Numerator 9. Fraction is 3 by 5. In 3 by 5, 3 is numerator, 5 is denominator. In this case, you have to make numerator 9. How will you make numerator 9? You will multiply by 3. So you will also multiply 5 by 3. So equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 is 9 by 15. Third is denominator 25. Fraction is 3 by 5. In 3 by 5, 5 is denominator. How will you make 5 as 25? You will multiply 5 by 5, 3 by 5. 3 5s are 15. It means 15 by 25 is equivalent to 3 by 5 with denominator 25. Now exercise 4.2. Reduce to the lowest term. Reduce to the lowest term. 5 divided by 5, 10 divided by 5. If we divide 5 by 5, 1 by 2. Same way, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Now question B. Reduce to the lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factors. 2 by 10. It's same question as question earlier I have explained, question E of exercise 4.1. Question B, 2 by 10. 2 by 10. What is common factor between 2 by 10? That is 2. 2 by 10. What is common factor? 2. So divide by 2. Divide by 2. 1 by 5 is in lowest term. 1 by 5 is the lowest term of 2 by 10. Suppose you have given 14 by 49. What is common factor between 14 and 49? If you have learned tables, you know 14 comes in table of 7. 49 also comes in table of 7. So divide by 7. Divide by 7. You have to divide fraction with the same number, means with the common factor. That is 7. 2 by 7. I am writing 10 by 40. 10 by 40. What is common factor between 10 and 40? That is 10. So divide by 10. Divide by 10. So lowest term is 1 by 4. Or you can also do like that. If you have given 10 by 40, 2 is also common. Divide by 2, 2. 5 by 20. Now in 5 by 20, what is common? 5. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. So lowest term is 1 by 4. Both are same. You can direct divide by 10 or you can divide by both factors 2 and 5. Lowest term will be the same. Question number 12. 24 by 36. 24 by 36. What is common factor? 2, 6, 12. You can do divide direct by 12 or you can do by 2 and 6. It's your choice. If you divide by 2, it will become 12 by 18. Now what is common between 12 and 18? That is 6. So divide by 6. Divide by 6. What is lowest term? 2 by 3. 2 by 3. We have done question B, exercise 4.2. Now question C. Reduce to the lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by their HCF. Now first we are dividing by common factors. Now in this question you have to divide highest common factor to the divide fraction with the highest common factor. So first we will find out HCF of 42 and 56. Then we will divide. Question 1. 42 by 56. First we will find out HCF. We will find out HCF by long division method. Big number is 56. We will keep in division box. Divide by 42. 42 ones are 42. 14. Now first divisor we will keep in division box. 14 3s are 42. Now HCF is 14. It means highest common factor of this fraction is 14. So divide 42 by 56 by 14. If we divide, fraction will become 3 by 4. 3 by 4. It's the lowest term. It's the answer. One more question I'm explaining. Question number 5. 36 by 81. We have to convert into lowest term by dividing their HCF, by dividing their highest common factor. First, we will find out HCF by long division method. Divide 81 by 36. 36 2s are 72. 9. 36. 9 4s are 36. So, HCF is 9. Highest common factor is 9. We will divide 36 by 81 by 9. 36 by 81 is 9 is common factor, highest common factor. So what is the lowest term? Will become 4 by 9. 66 by 54. 66 by 54. Same way we will find out highest common factor by HCF by long division method. We will divide 12 4s are 48. 6, 12, 6 2s are 12. HCF is 6. It means 66 by 54. In this fraction, 6 is highest common factor. So, we will divide 66 by 54 by 6. 66 by 54, divide this fraction by 6. If we divide 6, fraction will become 11 by 9. This is the lowest term of 66 by 54. Clear? Today we have learned how will we convert fraction to its lowest term. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.